Does your business bank account actually help your business grow? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question many business owners might be asking themselves: are they getting the most out of their bank account? Think about it. You work tirelessly to make your business a success. You put in the long hours, the strategic planning, the hustle. But when it comes to your hard-earned money, where you keep it can actually play a significant role in your financial well-being. Here's the thing: traditional banks haven't exactly been known for going the extra mile for small businesses. Often, you're faced with limited features, hidden fees, and frankly, not the most competitive interest rates. So, if you're looking to park your business savings and actually see some growth, you might want to consider exploring some alternative options. Now, this is where Tide comes in. You might have heard of them, a relatively new player in the financial world specifically catering to entrepreneurs and small businesses. But the big question remains: does Tide Bank pay interest? Short answer: yes. Tide offers a business savings account called the Instant Saver account and currently boasts a variable interest rate of 4.33% AER, annual equivalent rate. That's a pretty compelling offer compared to what many traditional banks are putting out there. But hold on, before you jump ship and switch banks tomorrow, let's unpack this a bit further. First, it's important to understand that this 4.33% is a variable rate. That means it can fluctuate depending on market conditions. There's always a chance it could go up, but it could also go down. Here's a quick finance lesson: AER takes into account the frequency of compounding interest. In simpler terms, it reflects the actual interest you'd earn if the interest were credited to your account and reinvested every single day for a year. Now, for those finance wizards out there, Tide also offers the gross interest rate, which is currently at 4.25%. This is essentially the interest you earn before any tax implications. Alright, so we've established that Tide offers a competitive interest rate. But is that the only reason to consider them? Absolutely not. Here's where Tide really starts to differentiate itself. Here are some additional features that might make Tide an attractive option. No monthly fees. Let's face it, every penny counts when you're running a business. With Tide, you can ditch the worry of hidden charges eating away at your hard-earned cash. Instant access to your savings. Unlike some traditional savings accounts that lock you in for a specific period, with Tide, you have complete control. Need to access your funds quickly for an unexpected opportunity? No problem. Seamless integration. Tide integrates with popular accounting software, making managing your finances a breeze. Mobile app convenience. Let's be honest, who has time to wait in line at a bank anymore? Tide offers a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to manage your finances on the go. Now, is Tide the perfect fit for everyone? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's important to consider your specific needs and priorities. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Limited availability. Currently, Tide is only available in the UK. Focus on small businesses. While Tide caters to entrepreneurs and small businesses, it might not be the best fit for larger corporations with more complex financial needs. Newer player. Compared to established banks, Tide is a relatively new player in the financial landscape. While they offer a compelling value proposition, some business owners might prefer the security and reputation of a traditional bank. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to switch to Tide depends on your individual circumstances. However, if you're a small business owner looking for a competitive interest rate, convenient features, and a focus on entrepreneurship, Tide is definitely worth checking out. Remember, do your research, compare options, and find a banking solution that truly empowers your business growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.